Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic TV with a model number either TC-55 or 65 FZ1000, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. I'll go ahead and put those two model numbers in the description. Now there's two ways to do this, via the setup menu or via the physical buttons. I'll go over both of them in a second, but there's two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with your television not working, the screen's not working, it's not making sound, it's not connecting or pairing with something or stuff like that. It doesn't work on Wi-Fi. All that kind of stuff can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you'll need to set it up again. That's the second reason you might want to do this, is if you just want to get this back to the way it was when it came out of the box so you can set it up new, we can do that. If you've got access to the menu and the controller and everything, we can just hit menu on the remote and then select setup, then select system, then select factory default. Setup system factory default, and then just confirm it with a yes. But if we don't have access to the menu, we can do this via the physical buttons. Now the TV does need to be able to be on, but you don't need the screen or anything. We're going to find the volume down button on the TV and the menu button on the remote control, and which is just below the power button on the left side. So we're just going to simultaneously hold those two buttons, volume down on the TV, menu button on the remote, for more than 5 seconds. After that, more than 5 seconds is up, you can unplug the TV, release the buttons, wait a couple seconds, plug it back in, and you can turn it on, and it will turn on into its startup mode from its factory defaults.